I know you so well, so well. I will never.
Hi guys, I welcome to this new tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to hack any games application using Lucky Petal. Many of you know some of the lack in this knowledge. In this tutorial, I take example for hacking L, Vesting the Ocean 3D. I'm let's play the game. Just now I installed this Vesting Revolution. Now I want to get wait a moment. Now I want to get wait. I pause the video. You can find it was asking for $5 for pro license and blast license. When I click it got me to Google payment, but now I'm going to hack this. Let the game out. Close the game. I will load or not. Just new mobile person and forward of only 2 minutes subs. Now this is the lucky method. The link is given below. Open the lucky method. Search for a game. This is Sing Revolution. Click on it. This method is applicable for every games, all games. The third link you find says open menu of patches. Click on it. Click on create modified APK file. Click on APK rebuild for in-app and level emulation. Click on it. Just simple. Click on rebuild the app. Keep same simple. Through the phone note, do your work. After this, you complete hacking. Note: please do not touch the screen or go back or home or anything. Just keep it simple. Otherwise, the hacking will cancel. If it is a new version, it never cancel. Even if you go back. But it's old version. If you touch the screen, cancel patching. Sorry for this voice quality. I am recording this voice in not in my mic, in headphone mic. It's analyzing results. I passed the video and now it's over. Patching files into an APK take too many times, about 5 minutes or 3 minutes. Only watch the video. Yeah, it's over. It says, make sure that first N1, N2, and the N4. If N1, N2 success, hacked. If only N1 success fail, but it never success in N3 and 4, leave as usual. You should click on go to file and click on uninstall install. In some other cases, many people click OK. That hack. To fix this, you install patched APK. In the bottom of the screen, swipe right side. You'll find rebuild and install. Click on it. Click on lucky patcher. Click on modified. Find for the game you have. Pressing option 3 to click on. Now click on this APK. Click on uninstall install. Yes. Okay. Click on install. It's installing. Just 2 minutes. What heck? Yeah, it's that we can open. Take 2 minutes load. Take 2 minutes to load. Ignore need. That's all. Now hidden pro license. Click on this. Click on yes. Click on this. Click on yes. Again, main D. Now this thing will pass. Yeah, it success. Waiting on that. Say more than 3 times. Little pass. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, it worked. Thanks for watching.